What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today I got me a LEVOIT air purifier. This is my first time owning one of these, and so let's go ahead and take a look at it together. All right, so this one right here is an upgraded model of the last generation. The reason why I say that is because it actually, you can use an app to, well, you can use an app to control this air purifier, because it hooks up to your Wi-Fi. Pretty much everything out there right now hooks up to your Wi-Fi. So first, I got myself instruction manual that I will read later. Okay. There's a quick start guide up here that it's like a sticker, I think. Yeah. It's taped to here. Yeah, a little quick start guide. So I'll be looking at that. Then, oh, okay, if you look here, we have ourselves lots of controls. So, wow, it's going to be a lot for me to learn here. This thing is beautiful, by the way. This white looks really good with my white gaming setup that I have back there. So I may put it along with the gaming setup. I don't know yet. But this thing looks like it can take quite a bit. All right, let's go ahead and plug this thing in, and then also we gotta download the app to see if we can, you know, get some air purifying thing going on. All these things lit up. If you look in here, this mesh right here is like, it's like a hard plastic mesh, and then out here obviously is the regular filter stuff. Let's look at inside here. Wow, so this entire bottom is literally just the filter piece of it. I think it would be really useful, because if you put it right next to your computer, like the one I have back here, I think it will help with all the dust going into my computer, you know? So, okay, I've removed the plastic from there. Let's go ahead and drop this thing back on. That was easy. That was easy, changing out the air filter. All right. So now, let's go ahead and turn it on. So I don't know if you saw that, but the light actually lit up brighter than just the white. The fan light right here turns on as well. And I don't know if you can hear or not, my mic is right here. And this filter is on. It's very quiet. My ears is right here, and I can't hear it. This is a lot quieter than I thought. Yeah, so I'm going to tilt this a little bit so you guys can kind of see it without my light reflecting. But so yeah, there's 2 hour, 4 hour, 8 hours. Wow, okay. So I can just press that, I assume. Got it. So I think this will light up if I hit the timer right here. This is probably the button, and these are just indicator. The blues are just indicators. Okay, so there you go. Yeah, it says 2 hour right now. That's 4. That's 8. Cool, very cool. Nighttime? What does nighttime mean? Okay, so when I press nighttime, the fan actually gets even quieter. Let me see if I can let you listen to this. I'm going to bring it closer to the mic. Okay. Now I'm going to press the nighttime. You hear that? It actually got quieter. Back to the fan. Yeah, so the fan versus nighttime actually increases. So this button right here literally turns off all your lights at night. So there's a button right here that literally turns off all your lights, so that at night you can sleep without all these LED like glowing in your face. So that's nice right there. Okay, so looks like there's 3 levels of fan right here. So I'm gonna, that's number 2. Can you hear it? Let's see if you can hear it. That's number 2 blowing right there. This is number 3 blowing. It's pretty strong, by the way, the fan. I can hear the fan now. Okay, yeah. This is a lot quieter than my fan that I have under my desk. So yeah, and I thought that one was pretty quiet. This is pretty cool. So I think the next part is we gotta give this thing a try. We gotta download the app and see if we can do some cool things with it. Okay, so now everything's done. Now I can hit the on and off button right over here. And yep, it's on right now. Let's go to, let's say I'm going to change this to high. Really fast. I'm going to go ahead and change this to low now. Okay. Then you can set the timer and things like that on here. Very cool. So there are also a bunch of options on here that pretty much you can get with this air purifier right here. Like for instance, if you want to turn the display off or whatever it is, you can do that. Not sure if you can see it within this condition, but see it? It lights up. So this is at night, so if you want to do that. Night light, if you want to add a night light or not. Okay, so this is the night light under here. That's what that light is right there. So if you look at that light, let me show you. I can turn that off. See that? You can turn it on. See that? Or you can dim it a little bit. Yeah, it's pretty dim. Anyhow, I want to leave that light on because it looks cool. But yeah, guys, that's as simple as it is right there with the whole air purifier and controlling it on your app. I mean, there's not a lot of fluffs on here at all. You literally just get on, turn on the air purifier, turn it off, which is what I just did right now. And it just works. It just works really well. I'm very impressed with this thing, by the way. Now I'm going to have to find a room to put this in and get it on. Yep, that's it for me, guys. That's the LEVOIT True HEPA filter air purifier. I want to see you guys later. Have a good one.